Hello, this is Mika from Fingo. Would you like to share what's happening on your screen and even include your video and then share it maybe on YouTube? Luckily, there is a great free and powerful software called OBS Studio, and in this video I will show you how to install it and how to use it. So, first let's show my screen, and what you need to do first is to take a browser and then Google OBS Studio, or alternatively just go to the address bar and write obsproject.com/download. And once you have this open, then you can choose between Windows, Mac and Linux versions. So I have Windows, and here you can download the installer. And now just download the installer and run it, and then OBS Studio will install just like any other software. You shouldn't have any problems there. I won't do it now because I'm already running it. It's in my laptop. And then once you have finalized that one and it's installed, then go to the Start menu, look for OBS Studio and open it. I'll now open it as well. Let's put it full screen. Oh, this is okay. And as you can see, there's already a lot happening here. When you're opening it for the first time, you'll probably see just empty black screen here. And you may have something here on the scene window and an empty list of sources. So to understand how OBS works, it's very useful to know what scenes and sources mean. And for that, I've created a slide which I'll show you to explain it. So here we have scenes and sources. And scene, how you can interpret it, is pretty much what will be recorded. So that's a selection of what will be recorded and how. And then sources are your display, if you are recording the screen, maybe your laptop camera, if you are recording video, and then obviously you need to add audio as well so that you can hear what I'm talking or you are talking then. And that might come from my headset microphone. When I'm selecting these three different sources to this scene one, and then when this is active, all of these will be recorded. Then I might want to create another scene where, for example, like in the beginning, it was just the external camera, my webcam, and then my microphone, and you didn't see any screen there. So this is the way to tell OBS Studio what will be recorded. As easy as that. So now, as said, you may have something here, maybe only one scene, and if that's the one, it could be under a different name, and you can always rename it with the right mouse click and then do remain, and then you could have well, I have used this default screen capture. That could be it. And now this scene is active, and then you need to select the sources. And how you do that is adding them with the plus sign. When you click it, you get a long list of possible sources. Don't get intimidated here. You only need 3 of them typically. So one of them is the top one, audio input capture. And once you click that one, then you usually need to create a new one. And if you want to use, for example, your laptop microphone. And then you just put a name on it, click OK, and then from the list of devices, from the list of microphones that you have attached to your computer, you select the one that you want to use. Now I have already my sources here, so I'm just going to show that then you typically use display capture to record your screen, this one. And then lastly, if you want to include the video, like I'm doing here, then you use video capture device to add that one as well. And then now I have all these three sources. You can also decide, for example, where this video will be. So I'm able to move it around. I can make it bigger or smaller. And so I'll place myself here to the bottom right corner. And then of course the display itself, that can be made, for example, here smaller. I could put myself next to it. And then when I'm recording, this kind of a screen will be shown. But now I think I will be pretty happy with having the screen full. And then putting myself here, maybe that's the right size. Okay, all good. And then everything is set. You can just start recording. Now it says stop recording here because I'm already recording, but for you it's start recording. When you click that one, then you do what you do, tell and show what you want to show, and then in the end you can click stop recording, and then the video file has been will be saved automatically. From the settings, you can also check here from the output that what is the recording path, where do you find the recorded videos. So now it's in the videos folder here for me. So I'll just go and open that one, and here, as you can see, there are lots of videos that I've already recorded earlier. If the video you did was perfect, then just use it as it is, or then you might want to use video editing software to add titles or edit some bits away which are not necessary, and after that you can share the video, upload to YouTube or whatever you like. All right, this is it. I hope you enjoyed and have fun with it. See you later. Bye bye.